Preparing quotes for clients can be a daunting task, often prone to delays, miscommunication, and pricing errors. To overcome these challenges, Cadonix introduces quoteBuilder. quoteBuilder represents an integrated solution in the realm of wire harness costing tools. With its comprehensive features, Cadonix quoteBuilder streamlines the complex process of wire harness costing, empowering engineers and manufacturers with estimates in a fraction of the time over manual systems. Developed to collaborate with Arcadia, it is a fully integrated quoting tool designed to totally automate the quoting process. Catering to businesses of varying scales, quoteBuilder allows for transparent and informed negotiations by providing insights into the cost drivers of manufacturing a harness. Moreover, quoteBuilder's web-based interface is easy to use. It facilitates the analysis of quote and manufacturing data and allows for easy customization of labour calculations, ensuring they align with your practices. Access management is no issue, as quoteBuilder has an integrated permission system. By leveraging quoteBuilder as a sales engine, businesses can tailor their strategies to meet their customer demands effectively, as you can produce accurate quotes quickly, minimizing the opportunity for human error. Powerful metrics and analytics provide you with the valuable and actionable data you need to grow your business and optimize your operational budgets. quoteBuilder isn't just a tool, it's your sales accelerator. Say goodbye to costly errors and hello to streamlined operations. Harness its power for unparalleled growth and optimized budgets.